Dear students, I'll continue with the problems from the exercise 7.2 on integration. Question number 21. You have to evaluate integration of tan square 2x minus 3 with respect to x. That is integration of tan square 2x minus 3 dx. Here suitable substitution is 2x minus 3 is equal to t. Put 2x minus 3 is equal to t and dt by dx is equal to 2. Therefore, what is dx? Dx is equal to dt by 2. If you make the substitution in this expression, integral will reduce like this. That is integration of tan square t into dt by 2, and that is equal to 1 by 2 is constant. You can take outside the integral. Tan square t can be written sec square t minus 1 because 1 plus tan square t is equal to sec square t, which is the identity of a trigonometric function. Tan square t can be written like this, that is x square t minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of sec square t dt minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 dt. Integration of sec square t is equal to tan t, integration of 1 is t, and that is equal to half tan t minus half t plus c. And finally you have to substitute t is 2x minus 3, and answer is 1 by 2 tan 2x minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2x minus 3 plus c, and further you can simplify like this: 1 by 2 tan of 2x minus 3 minus 1 by 2 into 2x is minus x, minus 1 by 2 into 3 is plus 3 by 2 plus c, can be represented by a new constant, and that is equal to c. And finally you can write the answer like this: half tan of 2x minus 3 minus x plus c. Next question is sec square 7 minus 4x. You have to evaluate integration of sec square 7 minus 4x dx. Put 7 minus 4x equal to t, and if you differentiate with respect to x, dt by dx equal to minus 4, that is dx is equal to minus dt by 4. And if you substitute here, it is reduced to integration of sec square 7 minus 4x t dx is dt by minus 4, and minus 1 by 4 is constant. You can take outside the integral. Integration of sec square t dt, that is minus 1 by 4 into tan t plus c, minus 1 by 4 into tan t, because sec square t dt is tan t plus c, and you can replace t by 7 minus 4x. The answer is minus 1 by 4 into tan of 7 minus 4x plus c. Next question, you have to evaluate sine inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. That is integration of sine inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Suitable substitution is sine inverse x, because the derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and that is f of x into f dash of x dx. And substitute t is equal to sine inverse x, and what is dt by dx? 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and dx by root of 1 minus x square is equal to dt. If you make the substitution in this integral, it will reduce to integration of t dt. Integration of t is t square by 2 plus c, and finally what is t? Sine inverse x, and that's why the answer is sine inverse x whole square divided by 2 plus c. Next one, you have to evaluate the integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. That is integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. And you can observe the derivative of the denominator. If you take some constant outside, it is here in the numerator. It is here in the numerator. And to evaluate, let us write like this: integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by, if you take 2 common from the denominator, 4 sin x is there, 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Just rearrange the term. Now you can observe the derivative of 2 sin x. 2 is constant. Derivative of sin x is cos x. 2 cos x plus 3 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore, the derivative of 2 sin x plus 3 cos x is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. And that's why now you can make the suitable substitution, that is t is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Put t is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Dt by dx is equal to 2 is constant, derivative of sin x is cos x, 3 is constant, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Here 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is there, and let us write 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to dt. And if you make the substitution in this expression, the integral will reduce like this. That's equal to 1 by 2 into, and this is dt, and 2 sin x plus 3 cos x is t. It is 1 by 2 into dt by t, and that is equal to 1 by 2 into log mod t plus c. And what is t? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. That is 1 by 2 into log mod 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus c is the answer for this question. Next one is you have to evaluate the integral of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square. And here you have to evaluate integral of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. And 1 by cos square x is sec square x. And sec square dx is that, which is the derivative of 1 minus tan x with negative sign. That's why the substitution that's why the substitution that's why the substitution is t is equal to 1 minus tan x, because 1 by cos square x can be written sec square x dx. And if you make the substitution, t is equal to 1 minus tan x and dt by dx equal to minus sec square x, and that's why sec square x dx is equal to minus dt. And if we make the substitution here, integration of minus dt divided by t square, because 1 minus tan x is t, and integration of minus 1 by t square is 1 by t plus c. And what is t? T is 1 minus tan x. Therefore the answer is 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Next one, you have to evaluate the integral of cos Next question, you have to evaluate the integral of cos root x divided by root x. That is integration of cos root x divided by root x dx. And you know that derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. And that's why the suitable substitution is t is equal to root x. And if you make the substitution here, dt by dx equal to 1 by 2 root x, and dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. And the problem will reduce like this, that is integration of cos t, root x is t, dx by root x is 2 dt, and 2 is constant, you can take outside the integral. Integration of cos t dt, integration of cos t, because derivative of sin t is equal to cos t, and that's why integration of cos t is equal to integration of cos t is sin t, that is 2 sin t plus c, and t is root x, therefore answer is 2 sin root x plus c. Next question, you have to evaluate integral of root of sin 2x into cos 2x, and you know that derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into 2. That's why you can evaluate the integral of root of sin 2x into cos 2x dx like this. T is equal to sin 2x, and dt by dx is equal to cos 2x into 2. Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into 2. And that's why cos 2x into dx is equal to dt by 2. And if you make the substitution in this expression, integral root t, because sin 2x is t, into cos 2x dx is dt by 2, and that is equal to 1 by 2 into t to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, plus c, and 2 gets cancelled here, and that's equal to 1 by 3 into t is sine 2x. That's why 1 by 3 into sine 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Next question, you have to evaluate the integral of cos x divided by root of 1 plus sin x dx. And you can observe the derivative of 1 plus sin x is cos x, and it is of the form 1 by root of f of x into f dash of x. That's why substitution is t is equal to 1 plus sin x. And what is dt by dx? Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of 1 is 0 here. Therefore, cos x into dx is equal to dt. The integral will reduce like this. That is equal to integration of root t, 1 by root t into cos x dx is dt. And integration of 1 by root t dt is 2 root t, and that's equal to 2 root t plus c. And what is t? T is 1 plus sin x, and that is equal to 2 root of 1 plus sin x plus c. Next one, you have to evaluate the integral of cot x into log sin x. And here the derivative of log sin x is 1 by sin x into cos x, that's equal to cot x. That's why the integral will reduce like this. We have to evaluate the integral of cot x into log sin x dx, and put t is equal to log sin x. What is dt by dx? Derivative of log sin x is 1 by sin x into cos x, and that is cos x by sin x, and that is dt by dx equal to cot x. Therefore, cot x into dx is equal to dt. And if you make the substitution here, the problem will reduce like this. Integration of log sin x is t, cot x dx is equal to dt. Integration of t dt is t square by 2. What is t? T is log sin x. That is equal to log sin x whole square divided by 2 plus c. Next one, you have you have to evaluate the integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. That is integration of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. And you can observe the derivative of 1 plus cos x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. That's why you have to make the substitution. T is equal to 1 plus cos x, dt by dx equal to minus sin x, and that's why sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. The problem will reduce like this. That is equal to integration of 1 by t. 1 plus cos x is t. 1 by t sin x dx equal to minus dt. And you can take minus sign outside the integral. Minus of log mod t plus c. And what is t? T is 1 plus cos x, and that is equal to minus of log mod 1 plus cos x plus c is the answer for this question. This I'll conclude this video, and I'll continue the rest of the problems in the next video. Thank you.